Today we will be making Olive Garden chicken and pasta in the slow cooker. Let's cook. Okay, you guys, everything that we will need for this recipe is all laid out. All the ingredients used will be listed down below in the description box. I have lined our slow cooker with a slow cooker liner. Let's get started. After cooking on high for 4 hours, I take 2 forks and shred the chicken apart. Next, I add in my penne noodles. I cook the noodles according to the box direction. Next, after that, we're going to add in our Parmesan cheese. Get that over in there, down in the slow cooker. Yep, just like that. Alright, next we're going to give it a nice mix. Make sure that you get all your noodles, your chicken, and your Parmesan cheese well mixed. Get down in the bottom of that and give it a nice mix. After that, I add in broccoli. You do not have to add in broccoli. It is up to you. I like broccoli, so I add it in. Either way you go, you cannot go wrong. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until we meet again, be blessed.